What up, everybody? Okay, so today is free day with Epic. Once again, you get your permanently free your assets for the month. Get them now because at the end of the month they're gone and you don't get them back. Okay, so what do we got today? We've got Simply Town. Okay, so this looks like a nice asset pack with lots of low resolution assets. It looks pretty cool. You can do a lot with this. If this is your kind of style or whatever, I mean, you get a ton of stuff to make pretty much anything you want. So that's pretty cool. That one is free for today. You can get it, and it's loud in my ear. There we go. You can use some cool stuff with it. Looking pretty good. Nice asset to have. Definitely pretty cool. The next one. This one I've actually been looking at a lot. This one looks pretty cool. Not gonna lie. So this is Niagara particle systems, and this is absolutely wicked. This is cool. You can do a ton of stuff with it. Looks wicked, and look at this stuff, man. This looks wicked. So if you're into particles or you can't do them, whatever, this is a fantastic pack for you. This is a really cool looking pack. So I'll definitely be using this one. This is wicked. Awesome stuff. The next one is pretty cool. Modular Sci-Fi Village. Tons of awesome models. Looks really good. Nice. You can create some wicked stuff. Very, very cool. Demo video. Let's have a look at the demo video. Now remember, all of these are free. Sign up, get your stuff up, get your stuff. Make an account. All of this is free. Just chuck them in. Once again, even if you're not using Unreal or anything, a lot of these assets can be ported to other things. You can use them, and it's just nice to have. You never know when you might come to Unreal. So another wicked asset, that bank building interior modular. This is pretty damn cool. Look at that. Let's see. Okay, there's no video for this one, but we can have a look at the assets, and they look alright. They look pretty cool, especially if you're making like these big things or whatever. This looks pretty cool. Once again, a ton of cool assets that you can use, man. It's wicked. And then the last one is Ultimate FPS Puzzle Kit, and this is obviously a kit to start making like puzzles or whatever. So pretty cool to have. I don't really make puzzle games, but I'll get it because you never know in the future what you might do. So that's all very, very cool indeed. Very, very coolings, yeah? There we go. It shows you, it's probably got like all of the logic that you can do stuff with, all the physics, all the components, all the events or whatever, and that's pretty cool. So once again, if you don't have them, go get them. They're free, they're awesome. It's wicked that Epic gives this stuff away still, and go get them. Alright, hope that helps. Bye guys.